Well, it's time for another backyard smoke show with Outdoor Home. I'm here with Kenny Miner. Kenny, what have you made?
Nate, today I made a Summer Berry Galette on the Big Green Egg.
Sounds fabulous.
Yeah.
Do your thing.
Let's do it. All right, we'll get started here. I've got some things to mix up here, but first we want to get our Big Green Egg ready to go. So I've got the Big Green Egg preheated in the oven set up, so we're ready to bake at 400 degrees. So what I'm going to do now, today we're going to use the pizza wedges for this. I'm going to set these right in the middle. They fold together, and I've got my hot pizza stone right there in the middle. So when we close that, I can actually slide right in there and see what we're cooking. Right, so we're going to go ahead and mix our ingredients here. I've got some strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And then we're going to add, we've got some cornstarch, some lemon juice, and turbinado sugar. So we're just going to mix all this together. All right, we've got that all mixed together. Now we're just going to put this in the center. Right, now we're just going to take the edges of the pie crust and then just kind of fold it in. All right, we got all that. Now we're just going to hit it with a little bit of egg wash. Give it some nice color as it cooks. And then last but not least, we have all kinds of barbecue seasonings, including homemade apple pie from Lane's Barbecue. So this is kind of some cinnamon sugar mixture. Gonna make a nice finish. All right, now we're ready to launch this onto the Big Green Egg, and just kind of to show the setup we have here. I've got the pizza wedges. When you're using the pizza wedges, you've got airflow coming in the front, so things are gonna get hot. So unlike you would do pizza the other way, I've got my draft door all the way shut, top and bottom. It's going to get plenty hot even with that in that case. So we're right at 450 degrees, just like the recipe calls for. I've got my wooden pizza peel, a little bit of the semolina flour on there that's going to allow me to launch it. So we're just going to put it right in the middle there. So it's been about 25 minutes now, looking nice and golden brown. Just going to use our pizza peel to get underneath there. And then we'll just set this here to rest.
Kenny, we're about to dig in. I cannot believe you made this dessert on the Big Green Egg.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are shocked. Dessert's one of my favorite things to do on the Big Green Egg, and it won't taste smoky because we didn't put any smoking woods in there. It's just an oven. So
let's take a bite.
Oh
my word. That was fabulous.
That's delicious.
Isn't that great? Well done. I've said it before, you're a master.
Well, thank you.
On the Big Green Egg.
I've said it before, life tastes better outside.
Life does taste better outside.
You could do that inside in the oven, but if it's nice outside, I would get outside and do that in your Big Green Egg.
You heard it for the Big Green Egg Master right here. Listen, if you want this recipe, go to ky3.com or go over to Outdoor Home for your barbecue and grilling needs, where outdoor living is always in.